Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. This video is all about Sun in the birth chart is weak. So, if at all you ask me a question, how do I know whether the Sun in my birth chart is weak? We need to see your birth chart in the first place. I know that's a joke. What I'd like to tell you is we need to see the placement of planet Sun in your birth chart. If at all Sun is placed in Libra zodiac sign, it is considered as debilitated, which is nothing but called, as per the technical term of astrology, debilitation is nothing but the planet has gone weak in your horoscope. That means the blessings are not there from so and so planet. Alright, in the horoscope. So if at all Sun goes into the Capricorn as well as Aquarius, Sun becomes negative. Why? Because for Capricorn and Aquarius, the Lord is basically Saturn, and Saturn and Sun doesn't go well. Alright, and Sun becomes positive in Scorpio. Most of the places Sun becomes very positive. Let me tell you that. Scorpio he becomes positive, Aries he becomes positive, Sagittarius, Pisces he is positive, and Leo and Cancer he is positive. Only places where Sun goes negative is Taurus, Libra, Gemini, Virgo. Alright, Virgo Sun at least better, but Gemini Sun is not considered as positive. Alright, so what generally happens when Sun goes negative? First and foremost thing, your relationship with your father will not be that great, and or you might not get an opportunity to support or serve your father if Sun becomes weaker in your horoscope. Your relationship obviously will not be that great. All right, and also your health of your father might also get affected depending upon your father's horoscope as well. So from the prediction point of view I'm talking about, so weak Sun indicates losses in business, loss of job, loss of service, because the karaka for service industry as well as for job, career, and the kind of bosses that you'll be getting, the karaka is basically planet Sun. Sun denotes support, Sun denotes development, Sun denotes respect, Sun denotes growth. All right, all these things are significators of planet Sun. Sun represents development, Sun represents soul, Sun represents father, Sun represents government. So all these things, there won't be much support in your case if at all Sun goes into the negative state. And fortunately, if at all Sun goes into the positive state in your horoscope, what are the significators which I have told you that would turns out to be positive? And Sun have an enmity with Venus, Saturn, Rahu. Yeah, these three planets, of course. Alright, especially with Saturn, Sun doesn't goes well. So depending upon the planetary degrees and also the debilitation point, also we have to actually check for Sun to see whether this person will be successful or he might undergo failures, obstacles and challenges during his journey. Obviously, when Sun goes negative, he has to face challenges pertaining to that specific house. If Sun goes debilitated in the 10th house, so this person will not be getting support from the colleagues, co-workers, or subordinates or from the superiors, because 10th house talks about career in the person's horoscope. So that's why depending upon the placement of the planet Sun, we have to give the prediction accordingly. But as per Sage Parashara Hora Shastra, weak Sun makes the person super egoistic. He is very fond of flattery. He takes false pride and vain, glorious, and fond of exaggeration. These are all the significators of planet Sun, depending upon the degree of planetary Sun's placement in the horoscope. If Sun goes weak, these are all the things generally happens for the person. Also, you might have even observed the people with weak Sun are super egoistic in nature just because of no reason, right? Or because of the reasons known to them, right? So that's it for today. I'm sure you loved this video. I'd like to just give you the exact information pertaining to this question. How do I know whether the Sun in my birth chart is weak? I hope I answered your question. Thank you so much for watching this videos, and please keep supporting me by providing your valuable comments under this video so that I know that you are following my videos. And please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel if at all you haven't subscribed. And if at all you need my astrological consultations, the link is mentioned in the description section. Do book for an astrological consultation. Once I get a consultation order, I'll be able to help you with the complete analysis pertaining to your individual birth chart. Alright, so thank you so much and bye for now.